Hotel check-in. How to answer.
No extra charges.
Mary, I just landed in Tampa. I'm heading to the hotel now. I'm a bit nervous about doing the check-in alone.
Don't worry, Anna. You'll do great. Just watch out for the incidentals hold. It's a temporary credit card deposit for extra expenses. Let's practice right now. Welcome to the Tampa Bay Resort. Can I have your ID and a credit card for the reservation, please?
Here is my passport. And here is my credit card.
Thank you. There is a temporary $100 hold for incidentals. It will be released after you check out.
Okay, I understand. Is breakfast included in my stay?
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the lobby. Here are your room keys.
Thank you. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m. Enjoy your stay.
Wow. Practicing this makes me feel so much more confident.
Exactly. Remember to always clarify the checkout times and those incidentals, so you get no extra charges.
What happened?
Anna just landed in Tampa alone and headed to her hotel. She called Mary because she was super nervous about doing the check-in by herself. Mary was awesome and told her to watch out for the incidentals hold. She explained it's just a temporary credit card deposit for extra expenses, not a scam. They even did a quick role play right there. Thanks to Mary's advice, Anna asked the receptionist about breakfast and the exact checkout time, so she ended up getting no extra charges. Key information: US versus UK. Front desk.
Reception.
Hold.
Pre-authorization.
Grammar tips. Need to. Have to.
Need to. Personal need. Advice. Use it when something is important, useful, or highly recommended for you.
Example: you need to clarify the checkout times.
Have to. Official rule. Obligation. Use it when it is an official rule imposed. You have no choice.
Example: you have to show your ID at the front desk.
Listen and repeat.
Can I have your ID and a credit card, please? There is a temporary $100 hold for incidentals. Is breakfast included in my stay? You need to clarify the checkout times. Checkout is at 11 a.m. Enjoy your stay.
Check your understanding.
Are you ready? Let's check.
Where did Anna just land?
Tampa.
What is the temporary $100 hold for?
Incidentals.
What time is checkout at the hotel?
11 a.m.
What word does British English use instead of front desk?
Reception.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it with your friends.